everyone, this is Jane, your daily hash potato. So it's our DIY Momento again. So samahan nyo akong gumawa ng ating little aquarium. This is a little aquarium. This is an artificial aquarium and a self-watering planter. Yan siya guys. So join me on making this little aquarium with a self-watering planter.
So here's the materials that we're gonna use. First, we have to remove the backing board and the glass frame. Okay, we have to remove this purple stand as well because we have to use this backing board later. So I'm just gonna use the spray paint and wait them dry. So let's move to the next step. Using this acrylic box, just put away the top cover and then start decorating the artificial aquarium. Using this pink mini stone, just pour some deco stone into the acrylic box. Now let's do the decorations. So I'll just be adding these plant bits. Now let's go back to the backing board and make a two holes side by side. Now let's insert the cloth rope into the hole and make a knot. So this is how it looks like. Next, let's make a square wooden path using the other backing board. This will serve you as a size guide on making the square wooden path. Then after that, let's cut the wood. Now let's glue them together. Now let's start painting it with sakura pink color. Now that the paint is already dry, let's start putting them together. Now let's start gluing them together. Now let's put the plant into the square box wooden pad that we made. Just make sure that the first row will put around the sides of the box and the other row will be on the top of the plant. Don't forget to put the water, then put the square wooden plant pot on the top of the aquarium. That was easy, right? Isn't she lovely? Thanks for watching. See you soon on my next video.